I embraced it freely and let my brother's wager frankly play. I'll be a foils, Laertes, and in mine ignorance your skill shall shine like a star on the darkest nightstick, fiery off indeed.
You mock me, sir.
No, by this hand.
Hamlet, you know the wager.
Very well, my lord. Your grace has laid the odds on the weaker side.
This is too heavy. Let me see another.
This one likes me well. These foils all have a leg. One.
No.
Judgment.